To draw a scatter plot on your CAS calculator, you're going to have to follow these steps. These are really important because it's going to help you then later on when we actually analyze this data and when we use this data to make predictions. You'll notice I've got it in a split screen at the moment just because I want to take the original data which I've just previously used to draw a scatter plot by hand, and I want to draw the same scatter plot on the calculator. So to draw a scatter plot, you need to put your data in first. Now, from the home page, if you look down the bottom, you've got this thing here, which is a list and spreadsheets page. Open that up and you'll be able to put your data in. Really, really important that you give it headings. These headings, make them more than one letter because it can slightly confuse the computer if you use, or your CAS calculator, which is a type of computer, it can slightly confuse it if you use just one letter and it won't know whether you're talking about the column B or the variable B. So if you use more than one letter, it won't have that problem. Also, just make sure they're one word because if you've got a space in there, it also confuses it. So our variables was age and our other variable was height. Make sure you've always got these headings in. The student name doesn't worry us because we don't care what an individual student got, and it's not going to help us analyze the data at all. So we just do the two variables. 14 was an age and a height was 142. I'm going to pause it for a minute and fill the rest in because you don't need to watch me repeat those steps over and over. So now I've got the two sets of data in there. I know that there's one with the same result being 15 and 150. I know that the scatter plot's not going to show two dots in the one spot, but if you have to do any predictions, any calculations, your calculator still knows there's two there in that one location. So it won't draw it on your scatter plot, but it still knows there's two. So what we've done, we've put our data in, and now we need to actually make a display of this. The quick way to do this is if you look above your document button, it's got a plus new page. Go to Control, press that button, and it'll give you the list of your pages the same as the home page. You can go back to the home page and choose it if you like, but that's just a quicker way of doing it. Now what we need to do, we're looking at data and statistics. We're going to analyze it, so open up your data and statistics page. You'll see down the bottom there's a click to add variable, on the side there's a click to add variable. The same as doing it by hand. Our bottom variable, our x-axis needs to be the explanatory variable. This is why we write the names in above them, because the names will pop up here that we need. So explanatory variable, as our age changes, our height will change in response. So our age was our explanatory, and you'll notice you've got a dot plot. But we want to compare someone's age to their height, so response variable becomes height, and we've now got a scatter plot drawn. You'll see as it did that, it moved these two dots together. It doesn't show you there's two dots there, but the calculator knows there's two dots there when it moves on later on. That is a scatter plot on your CAS calculator.